Hello. So in your most recent kit, Miss Amanda added some fun, easy water activities that you can do at home. And the reason for this is a science study that we can do along with our box and simple machine study. In the experiment that I want to show you today is how many drops? How many drops of what? How many drops on what? I don't know. Let's find out. So today you're going to need your pipette. This pipette was given quite a few months back. So if you don't have a pipette, if you have any type of like syringe or anything like that, if you don't have one, let me know. I should be able to come up with some. But yes, a pipette that you can squeeze up water with. Some water in a small container. You don't need as much as Miss Amanda. I filled it up too high. And then you had a play penny attached to a card with some instructions. Miss Amanda has a real penny today because this is all I could find. You can use a real penny, you can use a play penny, you can test it on your play penny and then make a guess on what you think might be, what might fit on something else, as long as it's something that can get water on it, won't get ruined, and a bigger person says it's okay. Also make sure you're doing this in an area that if it gets a little bit wet, that it's not a big deal. So maybe outside, or maybe even in the bathtub or at the sink or on a counter that is covered in something that you don't want, if you don't want mess or water everywhere. So this is a very fun activity to do because you can make a guesstimate or an estimate to how many drops you think might fit on a penny. So Miss Amanda's going to make a guesstimate that I think 10 drops are going to fit on my penny. 10 drops. So if you try this experiment, tell your bigger person how many you think might fit on your penny, and then find out how many actually. So it's going to take some counting, and you might need some help from your bigger person to count if it goes past a number you may not know. So I'm going to tilt my camera so you can see. Maybe I'll do like a close-up. Let's get it real close. So you can see this penny up real close. All right, so you see the penny? I'm going to do my pipette, so I'm going to drop. We're just going to do one drop at a time, so it takes a little bit of patience. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh man, we fit 20 and it hasn't spilled over yet. All right, let's see how many more we can go. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Whoa, 30, 31, 32. Oh, I ran out of water. That was 31. All right, here we go. 32, 33. It took 33 drops of water on top of my penny. 33 drops of water. Miss Amanda said it would only take 10, and it took 3 times that. It took 30 drops of water. That's amazing that this teeny tiny penny can fit that much water on top of it. That's pretty neat. Because 30 drops of water is quite a bit of water, right? So this is a fun experiment to see about, that even though it may seem small, it's mighty, and that guessing and estimating can be fun, that it doesn't always have to have the right answer. Because science experiments are not always about the right answer. Sometimes it's to to see if it would happen or if it could happen. So I hope you enjoy this activity and test it on other size coins if you have them, or on something else that can get water on it. Maybe you have like a water toy. Maybe you can see how many drops can fit on that. It doesn't have to be just to a penny. So I hope you enjoy and I hope you have fun, and let me know if you try it. Bye.